Hey there, it's Anna. Ever dreamed of being the guy who can capture any woman's attention? The one who seems to effortlessly understand the intricacies of attraction? Well, today we are stepping up our game as we delve into advanced, high-level tips for getting any woman that you want. Now, this goes beyond the basics. We're talking about fine-tuning your approach with behaviors and traits that will make you irresistible. And by the end of this video, you will be equipped with the knowledge and strategies that separate the average Joe from the truly captivating. Ready to unlock these secrets and transform your approach? Let's get into these advanced tips together. Master of nonverbal communication. In the language of attraction, your body can sometimes speak louder than words. Through nonverbal communication, like controlled gestures and an awareness of personal space, you can exude confidence and charisma. It's the subtlety in the way that you hold yourself, the assurance in your movements that can captivate her interest even before you speak. This silent dialogue sets the tone for your interactions, creating an aura of mystery and allure around you. Intellectual curiosity. Attraction isn't just skin deep, it's also about the depth of your mind. So show her that your interests are vast and that your curiosity is boundless. Engage her in conversations that demonstrate your eagerness to learn and explore new ideas. This intellectual curiosity makes you not just a conversational partner, but an intriguing individual who offers insights into worlds she may not have explored. Emotional consistency. Emotional stability can be an incredibly attractive trait. By maintaining a balanced emotional state, you present yourself as someone reliable and grounded. It's not about hiding your emotions, but rather about managing them in a way that portrays maturity and composure. This consistency offers her a sense of security and trust, knowing she's with someone who's not just emotionally available, but also emotionally resilient. Advanced listening skills. Now, listening goes beyond just hearing words. It's about understanding emotions and intentions. Practice not just active but empathetic listening. Pay attention to not only what she says but how she feels. Show that you care about her thoughts and feelings. Now, I'll tell you this level of attentiveness can forge a deeper connection, making her feel truly heard and valued. Now, it's a testament to your interest in her as a person, not just a participant in a conversation. Art of storytelling. Imagine transforming everyday experiences into captivating tales. This is the art of storytelling. When you share stories, infuse them with details and emotions that paint vivid pictures. It's about turning even the mundane into something engaging and memorable. Now, this skill not only entertains but also reveals your perspective on life, making her intrigued by your unique way of seeing the world. Calmness in chaos. In moments of chaos or high pressure, the ability to remain calm is a rare and attractive quality. It shows that you are someone who can be relied upon, a steady presence in turbulent times. This calmness under pressure isn't just reassuring, it's a sign of maturity and emotional intelligence. It tells her that no matter what life throws at you, you are capable of handling it with grace and composure. Philanthropic endeavors. Engagement in altruistic activities speaks volumes about your character. It shows that you're not just focused on your own life, but are committed to making a positive impact in the world. This commitment to philanthropy can be deeply appealing, portraying you as compassionate and selfless. It's about demonstrating that you value making a difference, a trait that resonates with her own desires to contribute to something larger than herself. Sophisticated humor. Humor can be a powerful tool in attraction, especially when it's sophisticated and intelligent. Utilize wit that's insightful, not derogatory. This kind of humor shows that you are not just funny, but also thoughtful and considerate. It's about making her laugh while also respecting her intelligence. Sophisticated humor creates an environment of shared laughter and intellectual connection, making your interactions both enjoyable and memorable. Cultural adaptability. In today's globalized world, the ability to adapt to and appreciate different cultures is not just a skill, it's an attractive quality. So demonstrate your openness and adaptability to various cultural contexts and environments. This shows that you are someone who respects and values diversity and are comfortable in any setting. It's about being curious and embracing different perspectives, which can be incredibly appealing, especially in a world that values global understanding and connectivity. Strategic flirting. Flirting is an art, and when done right, it's both charming and effective. So employ techniques that are subtle yet impactful, respectful yet playful. It's about balancing wit and charm and making your intentions clear without being overbearing. This strategic approach to flirting makes your interactions exciting and leaves her wanting more. It's about creating a spark that's felt, not just seen. Self-development focus. Showcasing a dedication to self-improvement is deeply attractive. It's about demonstrating that you are continuously working to better yourself, both personally and professionally. This focus on self-development signifies ambition, resilience, and the desire to grow, qualities that are desirable in a partner. It's all about being a person who's not just content with the status quo, but is always striving for more, inspiring her to do the same. The power of silence. Silence, used effectively, can add a profound depth to your conversations. It's not just about what you say, but also about what you don't say. Strategic pauses invite her to step into the conversation more deeply, to think, and to contribute. This isn't just a gap in dialogue, it's a carefully placed space that allows for introspection and mutual understanding. And in these moments of silence, a meaningful connection can grow, piquing her interest and curiosity about the thoughts left unspoken. Mystery and intrigue. Maintaining a balanced sense of mystery about yourself can be incredibly alluring. It's about revealing just enough to pique her curiosity but leaving some things unsaid, prompting her to wonder and want to know more. This approach fosters intrigue and keeps your intentions dynamic. It's not about being secretive, but about being selectively open, creating an allure that draws her in and keeps her engaged in a mystery that is you. Situational awareness. Showing a keen awareness of your surroundings can have a reassuring effect. It's about being attentive not just to the person that you are with, but also to the environment around you. This quality makes those around you feel considered and safe. It demonstrates that you're not just focused on yourself, but are conscious of others' comfort and safety, a trait that's both rare and appealing. Now, it's a subtle way of showing care and respect, which can deepen the level of trust and comfort in your interactions. Eloquence in speech. Eloquence in your speech is a reflection of education and thoughtfulness. Using a rich vocabulary and clear articulation shows that you put thought into your words. It's about communicating in a way that's not just effective, but also engaging. Eloquence isn't about using complex words unnecessarily. It's about expressing yourself clearly and compellingly, leaving a lasting impression with the elegance of your words. Conflict resolution skills. The ability to resolve conflicts calmly and effectively is a hallmark of maturity. So show that you can handle disagreements in a non-confrontational manner, focusing on finding solutions rather than escalating tensions. This skill demonstrates your capability to manage difficult situations with grace, making you someone who's not just easy to get along with, but also dependable and rational in times of stress. It's about being the person who brings peace and resolution, a quality that can be deeply attractive in building a stable and harmonious connection. Advanced empathy. In complex emotional situations, demonstrating a deep understanding of others' perspectives and feelings can be a profoundly attractive trait. Advanced empathy is about going beyond surface level reactions and truly connecting with what others are experiencing. It involves active listening, sensitivity, and a genuine concern for the well-being of those around you. This level of empathy fosters a deep emotional connection, showing her that you're not just there physically, but also emotionally invested. Personal branding. Developing a strong personal brand is about more than just how you present yourself. It's about reflecting your core values, your strengths, and uniqueness. So craft a persona that authentically represents who you are and what you stand for. This personal branding isn't about constructing a false image, but rather about showcasing the best version of yourself. It helps you stand out in her mind, not just as another acquaintance, but as someone with distinct qualities and an unmistakable identity. Commanding presence. Having a presence that naturally captivates attention when you enter a room is a powerful asset. It's all about combining a posture, a confidence, and an aura that speaks all about you. Now, this commanding presence isn't about dominance. It's about the subtle yet powerful assertion of your personality. It's an unspoken charisma that makes people, including her, take notice and be drawn to you, not just because of your physical appearance, but because of the energy you exude. Time management mastery. Exhibiting exceptional time management skills is incredibly appealing. It shows that you are someone who values your time and can balance various aspects of your life efficiently. Now, this mastery isn't just about being punctual or meeting deadlines. It's actually about the effortless way that you manage your personal and professional life, showing that you can handle responsibilities while also making time for what matters. This is a sign of maturity and reliability, traits that are key in building a meaningful and long-lasting relationship. So now you are equipped with the advanced techniques to win her over. You can learn some more with the places that women want to be touched, or find out if she is secretly obsessed with you. Remember, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights. Thanks for tuning in.